Hey guys, we made it to the end of chapter 11. So we're going to review today. We're going to go through, it's only a front and back page actually, but I'm going to show you what we'd be doing if we were back in class. So at the end of every chapter, there's always a fluency practice activity. So that's why I started on this page. So you can kind of show your parents what we're doing, grandmas, aunts, uncles, grandfathers, anybody. You never know, they might want to play this game with you. So you can pause the video and then you can try playing this game. But for now, I'm not going to do this page with you. We're going to go to the next page actually. So let's go right to it. This is our vocabulary. I had a lot of people asking about our vocabulary words. We're also not going to do this, but starting next chapter, I'll try emailing out everybody the vocabulary so they can look at it if they want to. I think we talk about it a lot throughout the chapter, but it doesn't hurt to get some extra practice, because if I ask you what an open number line is, you might not know exactly what that is unless you practice. I know we use them a lot, but knowing the definition of those words are really going to help you use some good first grade language, second grade language whenever you get to second, third grade. So this is where we're going to start today. This is the reteaching lesson. This is what's attached to the document on Class Dojo. This is what we're going to try doing. And you can tell there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 must have been on the other page, 5, 6, 7. There's only 8 questions. So this should be really short, really sweet, and it shouldn't take as much time. So I'm going to get set up and get started. You pause it if you need to, so you can get all set up with a pencil, paper if you have it, 100 chart if you need it. And we're going to review today's lesson. So it should be short and sweet, and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. And we are back. So it says cross out the tens and write the difference. Well, that should be nice and simple for us, because that was kind of what we ended our chapter with on the last time we did a math lesson, which was drawing models and showing place value blocks and then solving it any way you want. So our equation says 60 minus 40. So how many place value blocks do you see in all? That's right, 6 tens or 60. Nice job, Kayana. There are 60 in all. And it says take away 40 or 4 tens. So let's right now take away 4 tens or 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Here you go. How many are left? Exactly. Somebody said 2 tens, somebody else said 20. Both answers are the same, because 20 is 2 tens and 0 ones. Let's jump down to number 2. How many do you see in all? That's right. There are 50 in all. And how many should we take away? Boom, you said it before I did. 20. Let's take away 10, 20. So there were 50 in all. We took away 20. And how many are left? That's right, 10, 20, and 30 in all. Wasn't that simple? We're already done with our first 2 questions. I'm going to zoom in to number 3 down below. Pause it if you need to finish your answers, and I'll see you down there. Bye-bye. All right, we're on number 3. If you're ready, can you let me know and say okay? Okay, Low John is ready. So number 3 says, use this partial hundreds chart to subtract tens. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so easy again. Our equation says 70 take away 20. So let's find the number 70 in all. And let's take away 20. Let's take away 1 10, 2 tens. What number did we land on? Perfect, 50. Or 5 tens. This is just review, so I know this seems pretty easy for you, but I promise you're going to need it for whenever we do our online assessment or our test. Number 4 says 60 minus 10. Minus 10. I'm going to wait just a second to see if you can do 60 minus 10 all by yourself. So find the number 60. Good, and then take away 10. Perfect. I'm going to show everybody else who did not get that. So they have the number 60 right there. And we're not taking away 1, so we're not going to go left and right. We're going to go up and down. If we were adding, we go to 70, but we're taking away. So we're going down to 50. So 60 take away 10 gives us 50 on our hundreds chart, our number chart. We are all the way finished with number 1, 2, 3, and 4, the first page. We're on to the back, and I will see you soon. That is the daily double sound from Jeopardy. So number 5 is pretty tricky. It says subtract, use mental math. So what we need to do now is Just try our best to do these in our brain. If not, you can always draw models or place value blocks if you need to, or use a number line or a hundreds chart. That's okay too. But number 5 says 62 minus 10. So think of the number 62 and then take away 110. So we have the number 62. We have 6 tens, and 2 ones. Now, if our equation says 62 minus 10, let's take away 110 from the 6 tens. So if we have 6 tens and then take 110 away, how many tens do we have? We should have 5 tens. And guess what? The 2 ones can stay right there because it doesn't tell us to take away any ones. So 62 minus 10 is 52. Now the next one says 89 minus 10. So there are 8 tens and 9 ones minus 110. So think of the number 89 and then take away 110. So instead of having 8 tens, how many tens will we have if we take 1 away? We will have 7 tens and 9 ones. That's called mental math. Now let's try doing this one without any drawings, any pictures, nothing. The number is 27. Take away 10. What do you think it is? 2 tens and 7 ones. Take away 10. Take away 110. You have the number 27. Now take away a 10. And if you need to, you can always draw a picture by saying 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's take away 110. Now we have 110 left. And guess what? We still have those 7 ones. Hopefully you're able to do that without any problems. No drawing pictures, just mental math. If not, it's okay. This is our review. We're getting some more practice. Let's jump down to the last question on our page. All right, we've reached our last question. It says, write an equation to solve. All right, so let's remember that. We have to write an equation. Use drawings or models to show your work. Perfect. A store has 50 toy boats. So I'm going to remember 50 toy boats. They sell 10 of those boats. So they take away 10 of those boats and they sell them. How many toy boats does the store have now? Well, let's see. The store had 50 boats in all. They take away 10 of them because they sold them. How many do they have left? It says to use drawings or models to show your work. Let's draw some place value blocks. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let's take away 10. How many do we have left? Perfect. We have 40 left, which means how many boats are left in their store? There are 40 toy boats left in our store. That's the end of our review. I'm going to attach a couple of websites for you to check out, so that way you can get some extra practice because this lesson was so short. And we're going to mail out some brand new packets to you guys this week. So be ready to get your new packet. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Find us on Zoom or FaceTime us or text us or email us or send us messages on Dojo with portfolios. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye for now.